Hi, my name is Binisha Gurung. I was a student from IHNA. Recently, I have received an ANMF Award 2025, which was held on 11 December 2025. I would like to thank each and every one of you being part of this special occasion. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers, trainers, and staff here for motivating me throughout all my nursing journey. Without you all, it wouldn't have been possible to achieve this award. So let me talk a little bit of my journey with IHNA. I'm originally from Bhutan. I've been here in Australia for almost 8 years now. My journey was rewarding and challenging. I tried to balance my family commitment, my personal life, and academic pressures. However, IHNA is a platform and they provide me an environment where I was always encouraged, motivated, and always felt supported all the time. So I would like to talk a little bit about teachers here in IHNA. Teachers are really inspiring and motivating. They used to motivate us a lot, especially during OSCA assessment, like theoretical class, also during presentation. They also provided us additional support session where we felt very supported and motivated all the time. What I appreciated most was how the teacher used to relate their theoretical part with their real life experiences. So that really made difference in my learning and built my confidence level. You get to learn a lot when you are placed in a practical placement. So clinical placement is another invaluable part of my journey where I learned a lot, especially nursing skills, learning lots of hands-on experience. And during our placement coordinator Linda and our course coordinator Ifat, they used to check us a lot, how we were progressing. So we were really motivated, and I was really motivated, and we felt supported and cared for. IHNA helped me to grow professionally and also personally to be a more responsible and caring nurse to the healthcare industry. So once again, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being part of this journey. And thank you. I'm truly grateful for the opportunity and giving me a recognition for ANMF 2025. And thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you for every one of you who are here for SPT and OSCA this week. We have a big batch here, Dr. Betu, this week. 70 of us are here. So all of you are saying our majority are online students.
Congratulations. Good luck with everyone.
Yes, and good luck with the rest of the week.